So that's the bike, and on this bike the problem is the gears that you see there, they are out of sync. And what happens, we are going to show how to sync them and make it aligned. And meet Jamie.
Hello. So we're going to walk you through what to do if your gears are not working quite like they should, which can happen because the bike has often travelled a long way to get to you, and it's often a simple fix. So first we'll show you the kind of problem you might encounter and how you can address it. So we're going to turn the pedals as if we were riding the bike, and we're going to click actually down gear on the shifter, and you can hear that I've clicked the shifter, but nothing is happening on the derailleur at the back. The chain isn't moving to the gear below, which is what it should be doing. So the fix for that is, first we want to undo that click. So we just clicked into a lower gear with the lever that's on the top of the bar. So we're going to click the plus button to undo that to get back to the gear we were in before. And now we're just going to turn this barrel adjuster probably sort of half a turn or something like that. So you've got these notches here that you can use as a reference. So we're going to do a sort of a quarter turn and a half turn, and we're just going to try again, turn in, click in to get into a lower gear, still nothing. We're going to do the same thing again. So we've done about one turn now, and click, and it's trying, it's nearly shifting down gear, but still needs a bit more tension on the cable. Another half turn. Every time I go for a shift and it doesn't work, I'm clicking the plus button to get back into the original gear, if that makes sense. So we're going to give it another half turn. Nearly there. And we're going to try again. Click. And there we go. It's jumped into the lower gear, which is exactly what we want. So now we're going to keep clicking into the lower gears to check that it can get right the way into gear number. So we're in 3 now, 2, and next click should get us into gear 1. There we go. And now we're going to check that it can go in the other way. So we're going to click the plus button, and we're going from 1 into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, into 6, into 7. I'm going to do that. Just check all the range from 7. So we're in gear 7 now. Gear 7, 6, 5, 4. That's a little bit sluggish there, so I'm going to add another sort of quarter turn. What are we on now? We've gone from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. And at this point, you probably just want to try and actually take the bike for a ride and check that it's behaving the same way when you're riding it as it is when it's in the stand, or in this case upside down. To make this process easier, we've just propped up the bar. You can use a book or anything you've got at home that would just lift that shifter off the floor so that you can actually operate it whilst you're adjusting the derailleur. But yeah, that's it. That should hopefully get your gears, if they aren't already shifting smoothly, that should get them moving as they should.